Have you ever wondered why men and women sometimes just don't seem to be on the same page? A man might say, "I'm fine," and mean it. A woman might say, "I'm fine," and mean the exact opposite. It's not just stereotypes, it's real. Men and women often think differently. Not because one is smarter or better than the other, but because our brains and experiences are wired in unique ways. And today, we're going to break down why men and women think differently, and how understanding this can completely transform your relationships, your communication, and even your work. Science shows us that men's and women's brains aren't identical. From hormones to structure to social conditioning, there are key differences that shape the way each of us thinks, feels, and responds. Let's break it into 4 main differences. 1. Men focus on problems. Women focus on connection. When a man faces a challenge, his instinct is often to solve it, quickly and directly. When a woman faces a challenge, her instinct is often to talk about it, to connect, share, and process. Neither approach is wrong. Men tend to be problem solvers. Women tend to be connection builders. That's why sometimes when a woman is venting, she doesn't want advice, she wants understanding. And when a man jumps in with solutions, it can feel like he's not listening. Understanding this difference can eliminate so much unnecessary conflict. 2. Different brain connections. Research shows that, on average, men's brains have stronger connections within each hemisphere, while women's brains have stronger connections between hemispheres. What does that mean? Men may be better at focusing on one task at a time. Women may be better at integrating logic with emotion or multitasking. So when a man seems laser-focused and ignores everything else, it's not rudeness, it's wiring. And when a woman seems to juggle 100 things at once, it's not chaos, it's wiring too. 3. Different responses to stress. Here's another difference. Under stress, men often go into fight or flight. They want space, silence, or action. Women, on the other hand, often go into tend and befriend. They seek connection, comfort, and conversation. That's why in a stressful situation, a man might withdraw, while a woman might reach out. Recognizing this can prevent so many misunderstandings because the reaction isn't about rejection, it's about biology. 4. Social conditioning plays a huge role. Now, not everything is biology. Society shapes us too. From childhood, boys are often taught to be tough, logical, and independent. Girls are often encouraged to be empathetic, expressive, and nurturing. These expectations influence how we think and behave. The truth is, both men and women can think in logical and emotional ways, but culture often pushes us into roles. So yes, biology matters, but so does upbringing, culture, and personal experience. Real-life example. Think about a simple argument in a relationship. The man might want to fix the issue fast. The woman might want to talk through it fully. Both feel frustrated because they think the other isn't responding the right way. But once you understand these differences, you realize there is no right way, just different ways. And when you respect both, communication improves instantly. Men and women don't think differently to compete with each other. They think differently to complement each other. Problem solving needs connection. Logic needs empathy. Focus needs perspective. When we embrace these differences instead of fighting them, we unlock stronger relationships, better teamwork, and deeper understanding. So next time you feel frustrated by someone of the opposite sex, pause and ask yourself, are they really wrong? Or just wired differently? Because the truth is, it's our differences that make us stronger together.